finally complete. But bear in mind, this is still a prototype, so it's not perfect. As you can see, we have a DC motor on top of this bottle. Now the DC motor is connected to a shaft. Now when the DC motor rotates, it's going to rotate the shaft, and the shaft is actually going to rotate the water inside this bottle. Now this is not any ordinary water because the water actually contains glitter. Now what makes glitter so special is its ability to reflect light. Now, since I put the glitter inside water, and when the water rotates, the glitter is actually going to rotate with the water as well. And when I apply light to the glitter, it's going to make like a disco ball effect, which is going to be super cool. So, as you can see, I have a torch right here. And the torch is actually going to go at the bottom of this bottle. Let me demonstrate. So, I just have to switch on the torch just like that. Now this torch is on. Now I just have to put the bottle on top of the torch itself, which is easy. I just have to lift up and then put it. As you can see, everything is now assembled. The torch was actually glued to the box lid, and when I put the box back together, the torch was now placed at the bottom of the bottle. But before I demonstrate how it functions, let me explain a few things. So the motor is actually connected to a speed controller, a 12-volt speed controller. And the speed controller is powered by a 11.1 volt lithium polymer battery. And the speed controller is connected to an RC car receiver. That's all you need. So you just need a motor and a light, water and glitter, and you have yourself a perfect project. Okay, let me demonstrate. As you can see, now you can see the torch. But as you can see as well, the torch looks dim. Why would it be dim in the first place? Why would I use a dim light? But well, you are wrong. The torch is actually not dim because what happens is when the motor is not spinning, the glitter actually falls to the bottom, blocking the light. And this makes a perfect project or night light because as soon as the motor starts spinning, the light comes to life. Okay, the motor's spinning now. Watch this. Look at that. Would you look at that? Look how beautiful it is. The camera doesn't do it justice, but I'm able to see different colors: blue, pink, silver. As you can see, the lines on the screen shows you that light is being reflected. Would you look at that? And then the best part, when the motor stops spinning, the light starts to dim down. And it just keep on getting dimmer and dimmer and dimmer until the light almost fades out. But if you don't want the light to fade out, you just have to keep the motor spinning, accelerating. Just like that. Beautiful, isn't it? So many colors. So in order to get this project right, you have to get the water, a right balance between water and glitter. If you put too much glitter, there won't be any light reflection. It would be just too much glitter will just block out the light. So you just need a good balance between the two. So when I was making this, I actually made a hole here so I can add water or remove water from the bottle. And for fun, I'm gonna see what happens if I just give it all the power. If the motor just starts spinning super fast, what would happen? So before, when I was testing it, I was only using like quarter power, less than a quarter, like that much. It wasn't actually spinning fast. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's see how good this thing is. Okay, that's a quarter. Okay, it's getting closer to halfway. Okay, it's spinning out. Alright, that's a half throttle. Okay, so the shaft actually disconnected, but it was actually quite cool. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video.